Pating Reviews presents the Razer Blade 15. It's a GTX 1660 Ti graphics card, an i7 10750H processor, and this is a gaming laptop. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, if you want to save big on this product, make sure to click on the link in the description box below to save huge this Amazon Prime Day in 2021. Getting this laptop at 33% off for Amazon Prime Day in 2021 is amazing. All you need to do is click on the link in the description box below and add this product to your cart and save today. I got mine recently on Amazon a couple days ago without any issues. It's exactly what you expect from a Razer. I've been looking for many models of laptops for gaming. It comes down to the Blade, Asus M15 and the MSI GS66. I ended up with the Blade because I just thought screw it and went with the most expensive one. I've researched a lot leading up to me deciding which one to buy. I've seen and read horror stories about people posting on reviews, Reddit about Razer's QC. I also have seen very satisfied customers too, so I prayed for the best. Luckily for me, this unit has been amazing so far without any issues. I see no major screen bleeding at all. There are very little small bleed on the right hand corner, but basically that's it. The keyboard are not very to my liking, but overall it's still pretty good. The speakers are also a bit on the weaker side. I wish they would just be a little more meaty. I'm not sure how to explain it, but even my old Lenovo was better and I hated those. However, having said this laptop is amazing. It plays all the games on great settings at 60 plus frames per second, and as I mentioned, if you purchase it on Amazon Prime Day in 2021, you can save up to 33% on your purchase. You'll definitely be satisfied by getting this gaming laptop. Here's a bit more information about this gaming laptop. It has more power. The 10th gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor provides the ultimate level of performance with up to 5.0 GHz max turbo and 6 cores. Supercharger, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics is blazing fast. Supercharger for today's most powerful games. More frames, incredible performance paired with the fast 120Hz 15.6 inch Full HD thin bezel display helps edge out the win. Thin and compact, the CNC aluminum unibody frame house includes incredible performance in the most compact footprint possible while remaining remarkably durable and just 0.78 inches thin. Ready to connect, fully loaded with ample connectivity including webcam, wireless AC, Bluetooth 5, 2 USB Type-C, 2 Type-C ports, and more. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.